Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook sausage and peppers on my Masterbuilt 560. Now, hopefully we got some baseball coming back. One of my most favorite memories is going to Toronto with my wife's uncles and catching a Jays game while we were there. Prior to going in, we got some street meat, got some sausage and peppers before we went in. And this year, we may not have baseball, so this kind of fills that void of the sausage and peppers. I hope you enjoy this video.
So we're going to start with our peppers here. I'm going to chop the tops and bottoms of them off. I'm going to core them, and then I'm just going to slice them into long pieces. Now I'm going to do this for both of my peppers, and then I'm going to move on to onions. Next, I'm going to take some garlic and some softened butter, and this will be used for my rolls that I'm going to put the sausages in. After making my garlic butter, place it on the rolls. We'll put these on the Masterbuilt and get them nice and toasted. I'm going to take some olive oil and just place it in this aluminum pan here, and then take 2 tablespoons of butter, place it right in the middle of that as well. The Masterbuilt is set to 265. The butter is melted in our aluminum pan, so that means our peppers and onions are ready to go on. After placing the vegetables in the pan, I'm going to add my sausage to the grill. Set your timer for 30 minutes and get some rest while your sausages cook. After about 30 minutes, we're going to check our sausage and we can go ahead and flip. Now the sausages have been on for about 20 minutes or so. We're going to get these rolls on, get them nice and toasted. We'll do about 5 minutes on the butter down side first. And after about 5 minutes, we can go ahead and flip our rolls over. The peppers have been cooking for about an hour. We'll go ahead and take them off. It's been a total of 10 minutes for these rolls. You can see they've got some nice color to them, nice and toasted. So they've been on for about an hour total. They look great, and it's time for them to come off. Alright guys, I've got my roll here with a little bit of Swiss cheese. I'll add my sausage and peppers, wrap it up, we'll see if it's any good.
Alright guys, here you have it. Sausage and peppers, onions. We'll try it out here. I know I say this all the time. It's good. It's really good. So I'll give you a different take on it, a different review. It's really good. It's not as good as Toronto street meat good, but it's pretty darn good. I should have brought something to drink, because the bread is making my mouth very dry. Overall though guys, I don't know if you can see the smoke ring in this, but it did create a smoke ring. It's really good, got a little bit of Swiss cheese on it. Try it out. This one's good. Really good. Alright guys, there you go. 265 for about 30 minutes on each side. They turned out perfectly. I recommend you give this a try. They turned out really, really good. As you can tell by the review, give it a shot. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the videos. Let me know what you think I should do next on the Masterbuilt. I've got a couple things filmed. I just need to edit them and post them, and should have some more content here shortly. Gonna maybe do a brisket, maybe do some turkey legs. We'll see what happens. So I hope you guys stick around, and I hope you really enjoy these videos. Thanks, guys.
Toronto street meat.
Yeah.